I come from a country, Costa Rica, who used to be in the 1970s the world champion of deforestation per capita. And in a matter of 3 decades, went from being the world champion in deforestation per capita to being the world champion in restoration per capita. We went from one extreme to the other. Costa Rica in the last 30 years, and in part because of the bilateral and multilateral support, like GF and many bilateral, was able to really understand how do we go from a high deforestation, low yields in the food system into a new paradigm where nature can be restored and at the same time the economy can grow. In the same process by which we double the size of our forest, our economy triple.